So today I've got an at-home workout for you. No equipment needed. Let's get right to it. So this is going to be a Tabata style workout. And you're probably wondering, what is Tabata anyway? And Tabata is where you choose one movement and you perform the exercise as many times as you can for 20 seconds, followed by a 10-second break. Then you're gonna repeat for 20 seconds of work and a 10-second break. So we're gonna start this circuit with 4 different movements. The first movement's gonna be an archer push-up. For an archer push-up, hands are gonna be wider than your shoulders, and you're just gonna drop down side to side. If that's too intense, you put your knees on the ground, archer push-ups. After your 10-second break, in-out jumps. The goal is to get your feet close to your hands as possible. Once you get done with the in-out jumps, we're gonna be doing a push-up complex, and this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna complete 1 push-up, you're doing 4 crossover mountain climbers, 3, 4, and then you're gonna repeat. If that's too tough, you can put your knees on the ground for the push-up. Make sure you pop up, and then do the mountain climbers. 10-second break, and the last movement's gonna be a side-to-side squat jump. You're gonna squat down, jump to the side. Once you complete that movement, you're gonna take a 10-second break, and then we're right back at the top of the workout with archer push-ups. In-out jumps, push-up complex, and then side-to-side jumps. You're gonna wanna go through that 4 times for a total of 8 minutes. That is the first circuit. The second circuit, and we're gonna start with the pike push-up. So you wanna start in a push-up position, walk your hands closer to your feet, and you're gonna drop your head straight down to the ground. This is gonna put more strain on your shoulders. After a 10-second break, we're gonna do split jump complex. Split jump, squat jump. Take your 10-second break, then we're doing tricep floor presses. Get your elbows in tight, push up to your hands, squeeze your triceps. If that's too tough, just put your knees on the ground. For our last movement, we're gonna be doing plank jumps. Start with your feet together, jump out, 20 seconds. Again, you're gonna wanna do 4 rounds of that, totaling 8 minutes. So now we're on to the third and final circuit. We're gonna start with the single leg burpee. Put both hands on the ground, pick one foot up, you're gonna jump back, jump forward, jump up. Complete 20 seconds on the left leg. As soon as you're done that, take your 10-second break. You're gonna do 20 more seconds on the right leg. After your 10-second break, we're gonna do squat jumps. 20 seconds. And the final movement of our last circuit is gonna be a tricep push-up. You're gonna start by putting your chest on the ground. Once your chest is on the ground, hands right outside your rib cage, keep your elbows in tight, and press. Once again, if that's too tough, put your knees on the ground. 4 rounds, and that's our last circuit. So this is about a 30-minute workout. Hope you found this useful. Tag your friend who needs some at-home workouts, and I'll see you at the gym.